Hey there, today we're diving into the world of DIY haircuts with the Wahl Clipper Self-Cut Pro Lithium-Ion Cordless Hair Clippers, designed for easy and precise self-haircuts. This innovative clipper features a revolutionary 15-degree blade angle, making it perfect for tackling every part of your head, including those hard-to-reach spots like the back, top, and sides. With the Snap-N-LockTM Attachment Guards, you get 12 different guide cones ranging from 1/16 to 1, ensuring a foolproof haircut every time. The versatile grip offers ultimate comfort, allowing you to maintain a steady hand no matter how you hold it. Powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, this clipper delivers up to 2.5 hours of cordless use, and the Smart Charge LED keeps you informed of your battery status, flashing red when low and turning blue when fully charged. Plus, the easy clean stainless steel self-sharpening blades make maintenance a breeze, so you can keep your clippers in top shape with minimal effort. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-time DIYer, the Wahl Self-Cut Pro is your go-to tool for achieving a professional-looking haircut at home. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.